Hi everyone, Nancy with That Treasure Home, and welcome back to the channel. So I am making the redo pecan sandies. This time I did crushed, ground, pulse, whatever, the pecans. So now I'm going to cream the butter and the powdered sugar. So that is all nice and done. Alright, so and you want the oven on 300. And then you add 2 tablespoons of water and 4 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So here's the vanilla extract. And I gotta get the water. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, and let me go get the 2 tablespoons of water. So 2 tablespoons of water. It's not quite 1/4 of a cup. So we're going to add that. Now let's mix this together. Woo-hoo-hoo. I don't need it flying everywhere. Alright, so we'll put these to the side for our little girl so she can lick the spoons. Alright, so here are my pecans that I did do this time. I said add 4 cups of all-purpose flour and 2 cups of chopped pecans. So I need to go get the flour. Okay, we have the flour now, so I'm going to do things, follow directions. I don't think this bowl is big enough, and I don't want to, let's see here. I need those little, need the things back. Let's put these back in. Let's see here. Alright. So I'm at a little flour at a time. We'll see how this goes. Let's see, our oven is ready. We might just have enough cream in this bowl. How about that? Alright, and it's starting to get thicker. Woo! Oh, it's flying everywhere. Alright. So let's do this. Let's take this here. Let me get that other spatula. Just put this shirt on. You know, lead the way. We're going to fold this into our pecans. Let's see how this will work. Oh, that's starting to look good. Maybe I should use that one. This one's shorter, probably a little bit sturdier. Alright, so what I'm going to do, put this one on here, add the rest of this. Alright, and then we're going to add the rest of the flour. And we're going to, whoops, get this all combined. Alright, there we go. Looks a lot better. So, put this over here. And the next step, it says to take your pan, you put, well, it's like a tablespoon or so, and then you mash it down. So that looks more like the Pecan Sandie. I don't know if they'll be round, but we're going to try it. I'm supposed to roll them in the balls and then squish it. I guess that would be, you know, to get it that way, to put it in the refrigerator, let it, you know, a little bit harder, but it's okay. We can do it this way. It just sticks to the spoon and everything. So, I'm going to finish putting these on, and when this set is done, I'll bring you back and we'll see what they look like. Alrighty, everybody, we have like less than 2 minutes left on this, but I wanted to show y'all, this is not my recipe, it is from Taste of Home Cookies, the Ultimate Cookie Collection. So I will put the recipe down below and where I got it from, but I like it smells so good. So I went ahead and got my bigger pan out. We're gonna put parchment on there, and not much left in there. And then we wipe this cookie sheet off. We're gonna put more cookies on here and put some more in the oven. It's just a little like flour or something on there. I could spray maybe just a little bit of Pam on there, so it'll be easy. Oh, I know all the stuff about it. And yes, I have changed my shirt because I got too hot in the other shirt. So we're going to have these ready to go. So that way when we pull out the other ones, this one we can put right in there. So basically about like an inch above. If you were to roll it, it'd be an inch. And then you would just pat it down with your fingers. It depends on how big you want your cookies. I'm quite sure if you wanted to put this like in the refrigerator and get it a little bit harder, maybe 30 minutes at the most, and then you can roll it in a ball and then pat it down. But have fun missing one of your favorite cookies. I'm quite sure there's a recipe somewhere for it, and a cookbook on the website. There's a website that says Copycat Recipes, that they do a lot of copycat recipes. Alrighty. I was hoping to get more than 4 in a row. I think I can. Because it's actually quite warm today. A little bit warmer than it has been. Well, I am looking forward to having some snow. No, even on the big pan, it's just 4. Oh, that's alright. We can do this. And now, if I let the dough set a little bit, it's not as sticky. I can sit there and pat this down with my finger, and you can shape it better to make it round. Alright, and my timer has gone off. I just want to get these on and then switch them out. Yeah. If you let it sit for a few minutes while you're waiting for the first batch to go in, that was a whole lot more better to work with. Alright, let's get these out of the oven. And we'll see how These are, because it says 20 to 25 minutes. Oh yeah, I think that's good. And I did 20 minutes with those, like I did the last time. So, we'll see. All right. There they are. This is hot. Look at that. Oh, it smells so good. All righty. Our pecan sandies. They smell amazing. And yes, this is better with the pecans all around inside. Definitely crush your pecans up. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna let that set and cool. And then as they cool and they, firm up more. So 20 to 25 minutes on 350-degree oven. And there you go. Something that you love that you can't have because it has dairy in it. We found a dairy-free recipe. And it's amazing. Better the second time going around. So thank y'all for watching. If you haven't liked, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications. And we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home. I have to say it fast because my sidekick isn't here to say it. Later.